Hello everybody, this is Juliet and I welcome you to Prega News. Today in this video, we will discuss about home remedies to reduce and stop your breast milk supply. Breast milk is meant to help a mother to feed her child. The milk you produce will go through stages, providing your baby with the nutrients she needs to grow strong and healthy. Many women swear that breast milk is better for their baby and makes them much healthier. If you want to know how to dry up breast milk fast, you want to make sure that you are done giving your child your breast milk. So many of us literally want how to stop or dry your breast milk. So let's check out how we are going to stop the breast milk with the help of some natural remedies. The most important remedy is sage tea. If you want to know how to dry up breast milk fast without aches or pains, you need to start drinking sage tea. Sage is a great healer, and when you drink sage tea, it will help the body dry up your breast milk too. The sage will help balance your hormones due to the herb having a high content of estrogen in it. If you want the body to stop producing milk, you never to reserve the chemical changes that happen in the body. One of those changes deals with estrogen. The process of making this sage tea is very simple. Add 1 teaspoon of sage to a hot cup of water. Allow the sage to steep for 15 minutes. Add a teaspoon of honey. You can add in any sweetener you wish to help you get over the bitter taste of sage. In reality, it's not all that important to add a sweetener, but it will taste better. Point. Drink this tea in every 6 to 8 hours. Sage tea will begin to dry up the milk, and use a few cabbage leaves at this time too to help alleviate some of the aches and pains you will feel in your breast. Side effects from drinking your tea. Unless you are allergic to the sage, this should not be much of an issue. Next, stop pumping and touching. If you continue using a breast pump, the body will continue to produce milk. Even touching your breast too often to stimulate them can cause the body to continue producing milk. You will even be surprised to know that if you allow your breast to hang using improperly fitting cloths, the breast will continue to make milk too. It's a complicated topic, but it's something that you can only fix if you truly understand that any stimulation is bad for your breast milk drying up. Milk let down is a signal sent out from the body to start producing milk. When this signal is sent, the body continues to produce breast milk so that you can continue to supply your baby with an adequate food source. It's all about the baby. A few of the things you will need to stop doing to ensure that the body isn't signaled to produce breast milk are: avoid touching or stimulating the breast, avoid allowing your child to feed, avoid using a breast pump, avoid even hot water hitting the breast. The most important, ask the doctor for medications. When in doubt, there are drugs that can help your milk dry up faster. The problem is that many of these medicines either aren't recommended any longer or they cause side effects. A lot of women seem to do fine on these medications, but a lot of others will have problems. And you need to ask yourself if the risk of being sidelined from being a mom overweight outweighs the pain of engorgement. Side effects can include nausea, stomach pain, vomiting. So it's always better to go for some home remedies rather than these medications. Next, slow down and relax. This may not be a tip to help you dry your milk, but it's most important thing you can do. Take it slow. If you rush too much, you will find that you will be overworked and may end up sick or with an immune system that can't catch up. Pregnancy takes an immense toll on the body. You will want to take things a little slower. If you push your body too much, it won't do any good. A breast infection can occur too, which is no fun. Which is no fun. Slowly stop producing milk via less feeding, gradual feed or pump less. Express milk less often every day. I can confidently tell you that if you rush the process, you will be in for a lot of unnecessary pain. Women who have enlarged breast due to breastfeeding will start to have pain in their breast as they begin to transition to the non-production cycle. Never stop breastfeeding without trying to do it slowly. I recommend starting every slowly. A good trick to learn can was A good trick I learned was to cut back by one feed for 2 to 3 days and then continue the cycle. A good example of this would be a mother that feeds her child 4 times per day via breastfeeding. Next, cabbage leaves. Take 2 fresh cabbage leaves, large one, wash the leaves and dab them dry. Place a leaf against each breast. Fix it in place using a soft cloth. Let it sit for a couple of hours. Remove leaf and wash with mild soap. Continue the process for as long as required. Green cabbage leaves need to be tied tropically on each breast to inhibit the secretion of milk by the mammary glands. This is also an ancient folk remedy that has been suggested by old grannies and has been passed down through generations. The remedy is quite harmless and effective as well. Cabbage leaves make one of the best home remedies to decrease breast milk. Try, tying up cabbage leaves tropically against the breast does not cause any adverse side effect. It is only mild discomfort that the lactating mothers need to put up with. Next is parsley herbs. Take a bunch of fresh parsley, make salad and eat daily. Parsley can also be consumed as juice. Steam cook the parsley and run it through a mixer grinder. Boil the cooked parsley and add a pinch of black pepper to make soup. Drink the soup daily for a couple of weeks. Parsley can be consumed as salads or made into juice or can be used to make delicious soup. Consuming parsley regularly inhibits the production of prolactin and oxytocin, which are responsible for increasing the secretion of milk by the mammary glands. Parsley is one of the best home remedies to decrease breast milk. While parsley does not cause major side effects when used for a short term, it should not be used on long-term basis as it can cause to anemia, kidney and liver problems. So ladies, do take care of. Next, green gram paste poultice. Take a handful of green gram and soak it in water overnight. Grind the soaked green gram into a fine paste. Apply the green gram paste on both the breasts. Allow it to sit for a couple of hours. Wash with mild soap and dab dry. Continue the process until results show. Applying green gram paste on the breast helps reduce the production of milk and helps the hyperlactating mothers by reducing the flow enough to feed the baby only. Excess production of breast milk is blocked by the action of green gram paste, which acts as a poultice. Green gram is one of the best home remedies to decrease breast milk. Applying green gram paste on the breast does not cause any side effects. However, that they wash their breast thoroughly before feeding the baby in order to prevent any infection. Applying green gram paste may cause a bit of discomfort. The last but not the least, coconut. Grate 1/2 of the coconut. Roast the grated coconut over a gentle flame. Put the roasted coconut in a thin cloth. Place the cloth against the breast. Let it sit for a couple of hours. Continue the process for as long as required. When the grated coconut is roasted mildly and placed against the breast, it inhibits the production of milk and reduces the output. This is another cold remedy that has been handed down through generations and is very effective as a remedy for decreasing the quantity of breast milk secreted by the mammary glands. Coconut is one of the best home remedies to decrease breast milk. Coconut does not have any adverse effect when it comes in contact with the skin or any body type. Thank you ladies for watching Prayer News and checking out this particular video, which is definitely going to help you out how to dry your milk. So thank you for watching this channel. So thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. That is Prega News. And do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the updated notification, and please give thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.